Hey, it's me Rishikesh Kannan, popularly known as Rishi K. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now to get the latest videos and get taken into a world of entertainment, culture, sport, business and current affairs.
Joshis, the Joshis are no less. I mean, any conversation with you is incomplete without this remarkable family.
I've never had the conventional childhood, and thank God for that. I think that has attributed so much to who I am as a person now, and I've grown up in my perspective and view in life because I literally did grow up in the wings. You know, my mom was one of the topmost actors to be performing and doing theater, and I don't remember playing with dolls and doing all the conventional stuff. My weekends were going with my mother watching rehearsals, going to Birla Matoshri while she performs. I would have my samosa, but just be so fascinated by this whole, this whole energy of actors doing lines and scripts are being read and it's, the movements are being set, and she was directing also. So to see my mother like that, I think I couldn't have asked for a better childhood. I couldn't have asked for a more unconventional, but yet such a wonderful view of life to be gifted.
Somebody I'm seeing after so long, but it doesn't feel so long, simply because I've caught her on screen. Metro Park's sequel, which is Metro Park Season 2, is about to stream on Eros now, and it's already getting rave reviews. Purbi Joshi is at the top of her game. I'm just so happy to see you. Most important question, I hope the family and you are safe and healthy, yeah?
We are absolutely fine. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you for having me. And yes, we are safe and healthy. I'm in Los Angeles. We've been very, very careful. The pandemic has been, as we all know, we've been going through it, and hopefully California is reaching a curve, but we are not there yet. So I'm being very, very, very careful. But thank you so much.
Listen, we've got an 8-year-old and a 1.5-year-old at home. Much as it's a blessing, sometimes it's not easy to straddle work along with it. And the wife and me do struggle sometimes. You've got to be a super mom. He's what? He's 1.5, 2.
He just turned 2. He just turned 2
many
December.
congratulations.
Thank you.
To film this and be away from him couldn't have been easy, Purbi.
No, it wasn't. So I'll tell you what, the decision itself was very hard. The whole process of leaving him before I actually reached my set, that was the hardest part because I had so many, I was so scared. I had so many thoughts running through I wasn't sure how he'll deal with it. I've never left him for so long. And to actually leave, first I was going to take him before things were supposed to be normal. And I was like, oh, we'll go to Central Park and we'll make this like a fun thing. And he'll come with me and I was going to take my nanny and we were going to make this whole production. But obviously pandemic changed all of that. My schedule kept, delaying. And then when it actually happened, there was no way I could have taken Kaden with me. So yes, leaving him, making sure that my husband, because my husband's working from home too. And so he has a very stressful job. He's in finance. So eventually managed to get some help with my nanny. And we all worked out a plan where we will, where I could have gone and let them just deal with it. And they did. And I must say, my son did wonderfully well. He surprised me with his resilience. And I realized that actually he's pretty good. So after the first 2-3 days, after that whole fear, I was fine. And I fully focused on being myself, being an actor. And to be honest, I really enjoyed being free and away from my husband and my child. That was a lot of fun.
You need that refueling,
Yes, I did.
I tell my wife, on the weekend, go take a trip to that spa or whatever, or have somebody come home in the pandemic.
I realized to be a good parent, and especially for me, I asked myself to be a good mother. It's very important I feel good. It's very important I feel good as a person. Only then can I transfer that energy to my being a good mom and being a good parent. So Metro Park honestly was a therapy in time of pandemic, to be on set with Ranveer, Omi, Vega, all of them, and to laugh and enjoy myself. That was honestly, it was like a laughter therapy, and I'm so glad I did it.
So, the mothership, which is the legendary Sarita Joshi, the mothership and you together, Ranveer and you together, there's a huge comfort factor. I mean, these are people you've worked together with, I'm talking only from a professional basis. I mean, the fact that you're mother and daughter is a whole other thing. So that in itself must have brought the comic timing, the acting and everything back. So it is important, is it, for an actor to feel that secure?
So I genuinely, like, of course she's my mom, and like I said, there's, like you said, the chemistry, it's naturally there. So I didn't have to go out of my way to connect or to meet. Even with Ranveer, I've known him since 2003. We worked on the Great Indian Comedy Show. We've had such a nice history. We've been friends. He's a dear friend, one of my very close friends, even now after all these years. So when we started working on Metro Park, the makers were a little conscious. Oh, but you guys haven't hung out, and like, do we need to do any kind of readings to make sure that I'm like, guys, it's me and Ranveer Shori. It'll just happen like that. And that's what it was. Like the chemistry, there was no effort, there's no special attention paid. It all just flew organically. So you are absolutely right. It's so nice to have that comfort because it really puts you at ease, and somehow that magically creates that energy that you need for the show, to work.
Yeah, and it could work the other way around too. I mean, I know when I
Yeah.
see Sarita ma'am perform, and I know when Ranveer performs and reacts to you in situations in Metro Park too, they get you. They get
Yeah.
that this is the way Purbi is going
Yeah.
to do this,
Yes.
which is what
Yes.
makes it
Yes.
really so special. So you throw a delicious, handsome hunk in the mix for all
I
the lovely
know.
ladies
How
out there, which is
wonderful.
Milind
Yeah.
Soman.
Yeah.
And
You
suddenly
can't go
the
more OG than that. You can't go more OG. Like, you can't go more OG than, Milind Soman, who came out of that Made in India, came out of that box shirtless. You can't go more OG than that. And you can't go more retro than that. If all the women, young, old, mid-age, all of them relate to a Milind Soman. He's still so wonderful. He still is such a charmer when he walks into a room. You look up to him. He's wonderful. So I'm so glad because it was such an unexpected thing. Like, you have a show like Metro Park, slice of life, easy, where there's a Patel family, there's Kalpesh and Payal, and they are living their life there. And then suddenly you have this guy who walks in, and you are like, oh my God. So I think that was such a fun addition and such a unusual and such a cool choice, I thought, to add in the mix. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun to watch that.
And damn, it's not fair. That fellow is just crossed 50 and he looks the
It's
way he
annoying.
does.
It's not fair. It's really not fair. Like, come on, yaar. I'm like, stop it, dude.
Yeah,
And now
stop it.
he's only got fitter. What is
Yeah.
wrong with him?
Yeah, I
I'm
think
like,
younger
gosh. And
wife,
then
younger
yeah,
wife has done that
and
to
she's
him.
fantastic. So I'll tell you what, and I told this to Milind. I said, Milind, you're awesome and all that, but your wife is 2.0. Oh, I loved Ankita. I thought she was fab. I think she's fab. And I said, तुम्हारा राज यही है तुम्हारी जवानी का. But on set, he ate fully every day. He would fully ask for sweets and kaju katlis and all of that, and eating from my tiffin. जो मेरा sweet भी मैं मंगाती थी. I said, how are you doing this? It's so unfair, but that's who he is. He is just made that way. You can't do anything
So my
about
favorite
it.
Milind Soman story is, and I have to share it with you. He
Yeah.
fixes up with me and says, "Bro, I can't come to the station. I can't come to Parel. I'm filming. So can you do this in my makeup van?" So I said, "Okay, I'll bring some, thermocol, this that. We'll do some
Yeah.
soundproofing. You will record it there. So come to Film
Yeah.
City." So I reached the makeup van and he's not there. And then they said, "Acha, acha, he's coming. He's coming in the unit ki gaadi and things like that." And this is a
Right.
Bansali set that he was working on a while ago. So the car and the driver come, and I'm like, "But where is he?" And the person who was managing his work was like, "But he was supposed to be in that car. Let me call him." They're calling him, and he's not responding. 20 minutes later, he comes running in. So he got off the car, apparently, from Dadar to Film
I
City,
know where this
and he
is
said,
going.
"Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to run from Bandra to
Run
Film
and
City."
run. Oh
Matlab,
God, he's so
because
annoying.
I
I
haven't had
know.
my Shivaji Park morning run.
Morning
So,
chow chop तो मेरा बनता है. मेरा
so I was
मेरा
like, "You want 10 minutes, this, that?" "No, no, let's start." So, chalu karte interview. So,
I know fully. Everyone makes fun of him. I know he told me also. He said, "Now you want to ask me na, if I came running from the airport? Ke I've come." I said, "No, no, Milind, I really don't want to." But did you? So,
yeah.
man, unbelievable.
There's a whole generation that grew up on the Great Indian Comedy Show. The comedy that you
Yeah,
guys did, Ranveer,
yeah,
yourself, Vinay, and Gopal is now part of this new brigade. I mean, he's pretty
yes,
much
yeah,
evolved out
yeah,
of the online shows, the
yes,
skits, the
yeah,
online stuff. You
yeah,
guys were the
yeah,
precursor to that. But I mean,
yeah.
acting is acting at the end of the day, isn't it? I mean, it's comic
Right.
timing wherever you do it. So your experience of
Yeah.
working with Gopal, a little bit of that, please.
So, I did not with his track.
Oh,
It's totally separate. So I've not had the pleasure. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you that already because the show hasn't come out, but it's going to come out very soon. But I didn't have the pleasure. But I mean, I've watched his stuff. I think he's so incredible, so natural. And I think that's what, see, in Metro Park, you need that same somewhere, that whole tone is set. So you can't have somebody who's completely the opposite and come and be too jarring for anyone to. But he's so perfect for a show like Metro Park, or for the tone that has been set. He's so understated. He's so naturally, so organic with his everything that he does. And I've seen his stuff. I think he's so fantastic. So no, unfortunately, we didn't work together. But I was, again, an addition that I was like, how wonderful, how unexpected, and how perfect at the same time. To be part of Metro Park.
Purvi, a lot of people give me the example of Narcos and say, oh, Spanish show, and it exploded around the world and this and that. To me, Metro Park is a prime example of how just great content, great writing, and great performances by you guys can just go global. Who would have thought that a show on a small little suburb in New Jersey would go global, and anybody can identify with it. It's not as though because it's filmed about that community,
No,
it is
no,
only
no.
for that community. It's beautiful. So I want to know about the writers. Who are these guys? I don't know
Okay.
them. I mean, just a bit
I'm
about
so
them.
such a I'm so glad you asked me this. So everyone thinks, "Arey, kaise?" Yani, because like you said, it's so relatable. It's not, because every Indian knows another Indian who's living abroad. That's not for हम लोग हर जगह पे फैले
Yeah,
हुए
we
हैं,
know our
right?
Kannan
So
because we are South
uh,
Indians. You know
absolutely.
enough Kalpesh Bhais.
Oh God, are you kidding me? I met so many of them in Jersey. It was just funny. All these women would come, and how cute, how endearing. They would come and tell me how much they love Payal. They're like, oh my God, we can attack like her. I knew your TikTok and all. And I'm like, but why are you talking like I am talking like you? Why are you copying me? I'm copying you. You are Payal. So, but you meet so many of them. So it's so like we as Indians are all over. So when you see a show like Metro Park, again, like you said, so relatable, slice of life, all of that. And these guys who created it, they themselves are NRIs. Both of them, Abhi and Achin. uh, Abhi is both of them are South Indians. Abhi is actually married to a Gujju Patel girl. Lot of these things. So Omi's character is based a lot on Abhi. Like, so a
Wow.
lot of these experience, his perspective, his point of view of seeing this whole crazy Patel family and all of that. So a lot of these are derived from his personal life. So they both lived there. They are NRIs. They live this life and watch their friends and families go through the whole, trials and tribulations of being an immigrant family, not just Gujarati, not just South Indian, an immigrant Indian family. So it's a very organic, very, very real slice of life that comes honestly from the horse's mouth. So they don't have to do too much for inspiration. Their life is inspiration.
Totally. Listen, I don't know if you lived through that whole era, but the surname Amritraj, which is Pitobash's surname, suddenly rung a bell. So Vijay Amritraj was this really famous tennis player, and he
Of
got a role in
course,
a
I
James
know.
Bond film. Yeah. So he
Yeah,
was in
yeah,
Octopussy as a villain, and his brother
yeah.
Ashok Amritraj was actually an
He's a
immigrant
he's a
who
big
became a big
producer. Yeah,
producer in Hollywood,
very big. Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
the fact that this guy is called Bittu Amritraj, that
yeah.
itself is very
So
funny.
anyone for me now, like, or any time you call somebody Amrit Jat, Singhania, all these people are very rich. Like they have to be rich. If you're a Singhania, you can't be middle class. ये देखिए सिंघानिया का बेटा आ गया सिंघानिया
Yeah.
साहब आ गए. It's always सिंघानिया साहब. Like, it'll always be like that. But ये जोशी वोशी हो सकता है, लेकिन सिंघानिया is always rich.
Yeah.
So I thought it's very funny that Bittu's been called Amrit Raj. Like, oof. But then it's Bittu. So I think that is very cute. Yeah.
But another super actor. I mean, I remember seeing him in Shore in the City and
So
going, whoa, who's
good.
this guy? And he's
Yes.
really evolved. A little bit about him and Vega, who plays your sister, who's just like a perfect
Yeah.
foil to your character.
We were talking how in the entire family, in all of them, Vega is the normal one, he who has to reciprocate and take in all the madness. And because she's the normal one, like I was telling Vega, I said, you have this whole like कि ये पूरी family पागल है, मैं ही एक normal हूँ. But she still gels, she still accepts that. And so I think Vega's character is also so interesting. Because you need that, you can't have everyone similar level and similar intensity. So you need that little bit of Thera also.
So I'm just curious to know, was your mom on set, or did they have to film her and put her on that
No,
camera?
they literally did that. We are literally what you see is how it was done. She shot it in Bombay, and we were in Jersey. But obviously, but I mean, the way you look at the trailer, I'm not revealing too much, because when you look at the trailer, you see she's on that that roller thing that she's walking. So it was literally how you see it. It's a FaceTime video which is on an iPad, and the iPad is walking all over. So that's how we actually shot it. That's how it was
Lovely.
shot with a tight clothes. Yeah, it's super fun.
I get the feeling that these are very interesting times for you as an actor. I mean, you're rediscovering yourself in a lot of ways. There's another film called Hala, for which you got a lot of love
Yeah,
and a
I did.
lot of
I
kudos
did.
for. Apparently, it's now on another platform.
It's
And
on a, yeah,
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 I'm waiting to catch it. But just a little bit
yeah.
about that. I mean, the fact
So
that
I'll be
you are in
honest,
this
it
production.
so honestly, Hala is one of the most incredible experiences of my life as an actor.
Wow.
Um, I never thought when I got auditioned for it and they wanted somebody who could speak Urdu, Hindi, whatever, and it's a Pakistani character, the mother, and it's about the coming of age story, of this girl and her mother. And I never thought this is my first American film. It was produced by Jada Pinkett Smith, Will Smith, and Jada Pinkett's Overbrook Entertainment. We had a Sundance premiere, and then Apple TV Plus picked it up. So I mean, I never thought getting my first ever American project, I would be doing something so incredible with such bunch of talented people, and actually in a very integral part. I'm not just any character. I'm an integral part of the story. It's about me and the daughter. So it was honestly a fun experience just filming it, being part of it, and then going to Sundance. I gave birth to my child in December. And I went to Sundance for like half a day just because I wanted to do the red
Wow.
carpet and watch my film and just be part of it. So I did all of that. So yeah, it's wonderful. What a journey it's been, and Hala will always be very special. Please catch it. It's so different than what you've seen me do. It's a drama. It's a very understated, beautifully directed by the first time female director, Minhal Beg. So please catch that whenever you can. I would love what you think. I would love to hear what you think about that.
You know, Purbi, I always ask Sanjana Kapoor, my friend from Prithvi Theatre, this, saying, must
Yeah,
have been so exciting to grow up in the wings with,
yeah.
Jennifer Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and her
Oh,
grandfather and this and that.
what an era! What an era!
The
Beautiful. Yeah,
Joshis are no less. I mean, any
yeah,
conversation with you is incomplete without this remarkable family. And you also
yeah.
pretty much grew up in the wings. I mean, your mom,
Absolutely. That was
yes,
my
your
childhood.
cousins, yeah.
I've never had the conventional childhood, and thank God for that. I think that has attributed so much to who I am as a person now, and grown up in my perspective and view in life, because I literally did grow up in the wings, traveling with my mother all over India, all over the country, seeing and staying in these small villages to in these really palatial places, because my mom was one of the topmost actors to be performing and doing theater, and she still is. But I mean, that whole childhood of not like, I don't remember playing with dolls and doing all the conventional stuff. My
Wow.
weekends were going with my mother, watching rehearsals, going to Tejpal Auditorium, because we were living in town that time, going to Birla Matoshri while she performs. I would have my samosa, but just be so fascinated by this whole energy of actors doing lines, and scripts are being read, and the movements are being set, and she was directing also. So to see my mother like that, I think I couldn't have asked for a better childhood. I couldn't have asked for a more unconventional, but yet such a wonderful view of life to be gifted this way via my childhood. So yeah, it has helped me shape a lot, helped me become who I am as an actor and as a person both.
Yeah, that's a wonderfully answered. And you must want that for Kate and for your son too. I mean, the pandemic has thrown a spanner in the works, but do you get
Yeah.
to go to Bombay, to Pune often? Just hang with the cousins, the extended
So
family, have fun.
so I did that. So funny. Just before the pandemic hit, I was like, my son turned
Great.
1, and I'm like, that's all. We are doing the first birthday in India, the full Indian style. We had like the whole family, friends. We danced. We had such a blast. And I did, in fact, go to Pune. My cousins live there, and we had like this whole family trip, and it was so memorable. And I really want Caden to know he's American, but he's half Indian, and it's important that he understands this part of my life and his own culture, and familiarizes him with the family. And like, he better come to Bombay and better be doing all of that stuff, and better be that it's
Take an
okay,
auto
he'll
and
be the
local
NRI
train.
kid. He has to. Also, एक दो बार पेट वेट खराब हो जाएगा, चल अच्छा, अपना पूरा बैक्टीरिया सेट हो गई, तो इम्यूनिटी भी हाई चला गया. All that he has to, अपना Bombay style, he has to do it. He'll do it.
Lovely. Listen, what is your note to yourself in 2021? We've just come out of a tough year. There's no doubt about that. But some people write diaries saying this is how I want 2021 to be.
Yeah.
Some people tell themselves. So, what is Purbi's note to herself?
So honestly, 2020 has been, despite the pandemic, let me tell you, it has been such a fulfilling year on a personal level
Personal.
because we luckily we bought a house before the pandemic hit, and we have the backyard, and to see my son play there, for me, my husband and my son to be at such close quarters, spend such family time, has been so valuable. To see my son grow up, while my husband could also experience and cherish those moments, has been so valuable. So my note to 2021 is: be grateful for the present, be grateful for what you've had and what you are having, and just enjoy and be so grateful for everything, because this world is so uncertain, times are so uncertain. So please be very grateful, and make sure you learn everything from last year. And remember that as humans, as strong and as powerful we all think we are literally so vulnerable when something so invisible can come and just take over our lives. So therefore, just be grateful. That's it. That's my note. Just be grateful.
So nicely put. So what's on your phone? What's on your playlist? What are you listening to? Do you have a mix of Bollywood and English and Gujarati?
You
And
know,
what
you
are your favorite
won't
tracks?
believe, you won't believe. I like fully love listening to. I'm very uncool. I really want to tell it because people need to know I'm very uncool. I'm not with it at all. I'm still stuck in that time warp, and I'm very happy doing that. But off lately, I have no choice but to listen to. My son is obsessed with La Bamba and all those, like, he's going through that whole phase where every day it's Bamba and Mambo number five, and he listens to Elvis Presley, because I'm like, we are not, I can't tolerate nursery rhymes too much. I'd rather you listen to Elvis. He's listening to Elvis. He's listening to, all that like old school jams, like 60s. The other day he was like, he loves like that whole era of 60s, 70s, 80s, and that whole old school jam. And he's been having such a blast. So that's all I'm listening to now. And then I do get tired. I say, yeah, one more La Bamba and I'll be very exhausted. But that's my
But
life as a
I
mom.
mean,
So
who
that's what
could
I'm doing.
imagine? It must take you back to the days when you were partying, when you
Yeah,
were a
what I'm
teen.
telling you,
La Bamba.
I'm like, he's listening to love, he's listening to all this. I'm telling you, he's stuck in he's like it's such a weird child. And I'm like, oh my God, but that's what he's listening to. And I'm like, you know what? I'd rather you listen to that than all the crap that is out there. So listen to Elvis all you want. And, maybe we'll start some Mozart eventually, and you'll learn that also. But as of now, enjoy La Bamba.
Listen, you're so lovely. I could continue speaking with you the whole day, but I try to be proper and professional. My 20 minutes are up, and I got to go. So take care of yourself.
But can I give you a compliment?
Yes.
Sorry to cut you off, but you talk to so many people, especially right now with all the PR activities going and all that. But you've always been so endearing. But there's something you need to know: your research when you talk to anyone, whether it is somebody super big, whether it's somebody you just met, or the amount of research you do, the amount of there's so much there is such warmth in your voice, but at the same time, you can be so wonderfully knowledgeable and yet make them feel so comfortable. I really appreciate you being, and you've been doing this forever. You've been doing this for like God knows how many years now, and you're as equally wonderful as you were when you began. And look at you now, and it's such a pleasure always to talk to you. I wish there were more like you. So
Oh my
thank you.
God. I wish I would meet you every day. But you're very kind. Thank you so much. Lots of love to the family. Please stay safe and healthy.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Purvi. Take care.
You
Bye
too.
bye.
Bye bye.